Hi and welcome to this DCP web tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to set up WooCommerce coupons. Okay, so let's go ahead and open up the web browser, and I'm already logged into this website, and this is a t-shirt website that I'm working on. And if I click on shop here, we can see there's lots of different products in the shop, and we've got some categories down the side here. And let's just say that we wanted to add some discount codes or coupon codes so that people can enter them in the checkout or the shopping cart to receive a discount. So if we go into the admin control panel, let's go over to the dashboard here, and we can go down to marketing and click on coupons here. And when we click on coupons, there isn't any setup right now, so you can click on this sort of purple button, or you can click add coupon here. Let's create one here, and we need to give the coupon an ID. So what does the customer need to type in order to get this discount? Let's just say that we've got to type in let's say loco 10, right? So this is the code that they need to type in order to receive the discount, and it can be either a fixed cart discount, it can be a percentage value, or a fixed product discount, right? So there's variations between these, but let's just start off with percentage because that's nice and simple. Let's add 10 in there, so it's 10%, and it also says allow free shipping. So check this box if the coupon grants free shipping. A free shipping method must be enabled in your shipping zone and be set up to require a valid free shipping coupon. See the free shipping coupon requirement settings. So I'll go through this in a separate tutorial about how to set up free shipping on your website. That's kind of out of the scope of creating these sort of discount codes, but you can set an expiry date here. You can say that this discount code is valid to the end of this month, and any time after the end of this month, the 30th, people can type in the code, but it won't work, right? And in here we can write a little description, so we can just say like 10% off all products, for example, right? So this is just like a really basic discount code. We'll click publish here, and now this discount code will be available. So if we copy the name of the discount code, let's just copy that. Let's go to the website. We can add any product to the website. Let's just go ahead and add this one here, this first one, and we'll choose a size and we'll add it to the shopping basket. And let's go to the view cart, and we can see that it's £15. And if we type in the low code 10 for 10% off and click apply, we'll get the £1.50 off here. You can see that, right? £1.50 off. Let me zoom in a little bit for you. So you can see £1.50 off here, and then that will be the total price, and this will be the delivery cost, right? So let's say, for example, we want to do a different thing. So let's say if we want to make it 20%, we'll just type 20 in here and then update. And then if we refresh this and click continue, you can now see it's £3 off because it's 20% of the £15, right? But let's try something else. Let's do a fixed cart discount and leave it at 20. In fact, let's set it at 5. Let's set it at 5. And then if we refresh and click continue, you can now see it's £5 off, right? It's £15 product, it's £5 discount because it's a £5 value. So let's just go back to, let's in fact add 2 units here. So we're going to add 2 more units. And you can still see it's only £5 discount here, right? It's £5 regardless of the amount of product that we add. So it's just a fixed amount. It's always going to be £5. So I could add £500 worth of product, but it's always going to be £5 discount because it's set to fixed cart discount. But we can do fixed product discount and click update. And then when we refresh, if we have 3 items in here and we refresh and click continue, we can see it's £15 because it's £5 off of 3 units, right? So 15 equals 45 in total, but then it's £5 off of each individual t-shirt. So really we're looking at £30, right? Plus the delivery cost. We can just leave it at free delivery for the moment, and you can see that here, right? £30. Okay, so let's go back to the admin control panel, and there's a few other options. I prefer to use a discount, like a percentage value, and we'll leave it at 10 for now. We'll click update. So when we go back here, we should see £4.50 off the products because it's 10% off £4.50. Let's go back here and we'll go to usage restrictions. So minimum spend. So we can set it so that get 10% off if you spend at least £30. So you have to spend at least 30. Let's set it to 50, right? So minimum spend is 50. And let's just go ahead and click update for now. And if we go back here and refresh it, let's click continue. It says, sorry, it seems that the coupon loco 10 isn't valid. It has now been removed because it says the minimum spend is £50. So if we add another product to this to make it 60, which is more, and then we type back in that discount code loco 10, click apply, we'll get the £6 off, so off of the 60, right? 10%, but it has to be greater than this value here. Restrictions 50. We can set a maximum spend, and we might set that to something like 100, for example. And these are all optional, right? I'm just explaining the options here. So if we set that to 100, and then if we go a bit crazy and say that we want like 10 of these, that'll be £150, right? And that's greater than the £100. So it says that it can't be added. The discount code won't work because the product value must be £50 or higher or less than 100. So if we set this value to something like let's say 6 and click OK, then we can see that it's at 90, and then if we add our discount code, we'll get the £9 off. Here's the £9 because it's less than 90, will be less than the £100 here. Let's get rid of these values. We don't really need them in there for now. Normally I wouldn't set them up, but you know, it's up to you if you want to, you know, have these options there. It says individual use only. Check this box if this coupon cannot be used in conjunction with other coupons. So I'd advise that you tick that, because if you've got 3 or 4 different discounts, like one for 10%, one for £5 off, you don't want people adding 2 different discounts, £5 off and £10% off, and getting quite a big discount, right? It says exclude sale items. So inside WooCommerce, if we click here, let's see if there's anything on sale in here. Let's just check. All of these products, nothing's really on sale. So let's set something up quickly on sale. So let's go to products here, and we'll just edit one of the products and we'll put it on sale. Let's say this Spartan t-shirt, where is Spartan t-shirt, and we'll go to our this is a variable product, so let's not use a variable one. That just makes things a little bit more complicated. So let's just use this Sonic t-shirt, which should be fine. I think that's actually a variable product as well. So let's just see. I think all of these are going to be variable because they're t-shirts, right? So we have to just edit this one. And let's see. So in the variations here, we have to set the discount code in here, sale price and regular price. So if we take the regular price 10 and then put it to 5, and then we need to just apply that to all of the different t-shirts. So let's just set that to 10, and we set this to 10. And with variations, you can have different pricing for different sizes. So like extra large is £20, this is 10, but a small one is 15, and now the sale price is going to be 10. So let's click update, and we just need to find this product. Let's go back here, and then we can test this discount code. We've got this, I think it's this one here. Yep, extra small. So you can see it's £10 and now it's 5. So if we were to go to our discount code again and tick this option and then click update, because this product is already on sale, like it's discounted on the website, when we click add to cart and we go to the shopping cart, let's just go ahead and remove this one. It says, sorry, it seems the coupon loco 10 isn't valid. It has now been removed, right? So you can't add this discount code because the product is already on sale. It's already been discounted on the website. So if I try and add it again, it just says you can't add it. That's because we've ticked off this option here, this one here, right? And we can also set it up so that it's only for specific products. So if we look in here, if we type in, let's find something first. So let's go ahead and remove this one. Let's go back to our shop and we'll find this. Let's just use this one. And let's copy that name. We can paste it in here. Let's see if we can find that product. It's a 3D baby kids unicorn t-shirt, right? This particular product. If we add it and then click update, we can only apply this 10% on this particular product. So if we go to medium and add to basket, I'm pretty sure that was the right product. Let's go to the go to add to cart, and then let's view the cart. So here we can see the product. If we take that discount code and apply it, it should work. It still works, right? It's 10% off. If we remove that product and add something that is not that product, let's say this one here, for example, and then click add to cart, and then try and apply the discount code to this product, it won't work. It says it's not applicable to the selected product because we've only specified that one product. Now sometimes you want to just specify the opposite, right? So you can say this discount code is applicable to all t-shirts, everything on the whole website except for a specific range of products or a specific item. So if you want to exclude a specific item, let's say this t-shirt for example, let's just copy this name here, and then we'll go back to the website. We can exclude products here, so we can search for it, and I'm pretty sure, let's see which one it is. Summer fashion shirt, lips, leopard graphic, this one, I believe it's this one, and then we can click update, and if we add that one to the shopping basket, so we've got 2 items in there now. We've got those 2 items. Let's just add the discount code. So it can only be applied to this first product. Can you see? So it's taken 10% off of the £7, which is 70 pence, but it hasn't done anything on the £12 one. If I remove this item, it will automatically remove the discount code, and it will say it can't be valid because this particular item has been excluded in this list here. So let's remove that one, and we can exclude whole categories, or we can include whole categories. So we can say that this discount code, let's go back to the shop, let's go to men's for example, this discount code only applies to men's t-shirts. So when we go to product categories, we can just click here and select men's, or you can select many of them. You can say men's and boys only, or you can say women's and girls only for example, but let's do men's and boys for example. We'll click update, and we'll add this product to the shopping basket, and we'll go there, and we can see there's a women's product in there, and we can see there's a men's one, but we said it because this discount code only applies to men's and boys, right? So we've got men's and boys, and we've got women's and girls in here. Let's take the discount code and apply it, and we should only get £12 written in here, I believe. Let's just try it. Discount, sorry, 150 off of this one, yeah, 10%, sorry, off of this value here, £1.50, right? That makes sense, but it won't apply to this one here. So if we remove this men's t-shirt, the discount code can't be applied to this product because it's not a men's or boys t-shirt. It happens to be a ladies t-shirt, that one that's in the basket right now. So if we remove these, we can exclude categories. So we can exclude the women's for example, and then the discount code can be applied to any other product except for the women's. So if we go back to the website, let's go to, let's say girls for example, we'll scroll down, click on this product here, and we'll add that to the shopping basket. Now we've got a women's product and a girls product, and when we add the discount code, it will only give a value of 70 pence discount, 10% off 7, right, which is 70p, because the women's one has been excluded. But if we go back here, go to usage restrictions and remove women's, and just let it apply to anything, and just click update, and then when we refresh this, we should get an extra £1.20 off as well. So now it's 190 plus the 70, right? 10% of this, 10% of this, because we have no restrictions here. And then allowed emails, basically with this option you can put in a list of email addresses, specific email addresses that can have this discount code applied only to specific emails, right? Allowed email addresses here. So I never really use this option. It's really rare that you would ever use this particular option. But if you wanted to give a discount code, maybe a really massive discount code to someone that you know personally, there's kind of other ways to do that. You could just give them the discount code. No one else really knows this code because you've not publicized it anywhere. And you can go to usage limits and set it to a specific value. So usage limits here, we can say that this discount code can only be used 100 times. And we'll click update. Right, so every time a person uses this discount code, this number will reduce by 1. So if 50 people use it, then there'll only be 50 times that this particular coupon or discount code can be used again. Right, so right now we haven't really, although we've added it, we haven't proceeded to checkout and we haven't run through the checkout. Only when you go through the checkout and you actually make a payment, then this value here will be deducted by 1. Usage limits on X item apply to all qualifying items in cart, right? So it says the maximum number of individual items this coupon can apply 2. When using product discounts, leave blank to apply to all qualifying items. So if I were to set this value to something like 2 and then click apply, and then go back to the shopping cart and let's add 3 here. In fact, let's make our maths a little bit easier. So let's just get rid of this product to make maths a little bit easier, right? So if we add 2 products, we'll get £1.40 off. 2 times, so 7 times by 2 is 14. 10% of 14 will be £1.40. But if we add 3 products, you can still see it's £1.40. If we add 4, it's still going to be £1.40 because we set it to maximum usage across 2 products, two products only, right, in the shopping basket. If we set it to 5 and then click update, in fact let's set it to 6. In fact, let's set it to 10, right? 10 is a nice easy number to work on. 10, then when we refresh this, we'll get £2.80, right? And if we just go all the way up to 10, we should get £7 off. But when we get to 11, it won't add any more discount because we set the restriction to 10 here. Usage limit per user. So we can set this, normally I would set this to 1. And the reason why is when this person uses this discount code, they can never use it again. So if someone's run through your checkout, they've set up their whole account, they've made the transaction, they've paid for it. If they come back tomorrow and want to use this same discount code, they can't use it. But you may want to set this to a value like 5. So one person can use this discount code 5 times, and then you might go to general and set a date, and you can say, look, you can use this discount code up to 5 times. You can get 10% off, but it's only valid until the end of this month. For example, that might be your promotion. That's quite a complex promotion. Normally I'll make it a lot easier and just set the usage limit to something like 1 value, or leave it at no value. If you leave it at no value, then it's unlimited usage. That means one person can come every single day. They can come here 10 times a day if they wanted to, buy products from you, but only up until this particular date, right? Let's click update, and then we can go ahead and refresh and click continue. And now we see the discount code applied right here, right? But it's still set to, remember, 10 here. If we remove this, then it can apply to as many products in the shopping basket. So when we refresh, it will be an extra 70 pence, 77.70. So hopefully that makes a lot of sense. I know the discount code is a little bit complex to understand, but once you get a good understanding, you can restrict certain categories, you can add percentage values, or you can add money values, specific money values. I happen to be using British pounds, but you know, if you set up your WooCommerce in USD currency, then it'll be all American dollars and so forth. So this is how I advise my customers to use the discount code system, and this is how I use it on a few of my own e-commerce projects that I've worked on in the past. And it seems to work. So when you want to go and do some Facebook promotions or promoting on Twitter or on your Instagram, then you can add these discount codes and try and keep the discount codes really simple, like low-code 10, something very easy to remember and type in. Sometimes it's worth just typing it in all uppercase like this. You might do that, or you might do like low-code 10% off, but try and keep the code very simple, like LO or L0, LO 10, something very simple and easy to type, because then when you put that onto your social media artwork or inside of your messaging, the code is very, very easy for people to type, right? And easy to remember, most importantly. Okay, so that's how you go about using the discount code on WooCommerce. Hopefully you find this tutorial quite interesting and useful, and I'll be making some more WooCommerce tutorials helping you to understand how to do different things inside WooCommerce. In this particular tutorial we're using, or in this particular website, we're using something called Flatsome Theme Editor. So you can see Flatsome here. You can see the theme editor that we're using at present on this particular project. I've made some other WooCommerce tutorials that you might not be aware of, so I'll put a link in the YouTube description to my playlist where you can access all of the other WooCommerce tutorials, and I'll be making plenty more. So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel where you can access over 650 free video tutorials. That's the end of this tutorial. I hope you find it useful, and I look forward to seeing you in the next DCP web tutorial.